आज म तपाईहरुलाई लिंग्विस्टिकको ओल्ड क्वेशनहरु 2074, 75 र 76 को चाहिँ म तपाईहरुलाई ओल्ड क्वेशनहरु बताउने छु। युनिट 1 क्वेशन 1 मा रहेको छ Language is an arbitrary, voluntary vocal system of human communication. Elucidate. 2 ma How do you justify the claim that linguistics is the scientific discipline? Question 3. What are the characteristics of language? List them and describe any two of them in detail. Question 4. What are the varieties of language? Describe them in brief. Question 5. What are the different varieties of language? Explain briefly with examples. त्यसै गरी क्वेशन 6 मा रहेको छ राइट शॉर्ट नोट अन डायलेक्ट। 7 मा डिस्टिंग्विश बिट्विन कम्पिटेन्स एन्ड परफर्मेन्स। क्वेशन 8 मा रहेको छ शो द रिलेशनशिप अफ फर्म एन्ड सब्स्टेन्स। क्वेशन 9 मा शो द रिलेशनशिप बिट्विन फर्म, फंक्शन, substance and meaning with suitable examples of your own. Question 10 मा orthographic writing and phonetic writing are different from each other. Justify. Unit 2 Phonetics and Phonology. Question 1 Distinguish between phonetics and phonology in brief. Question 2 Define phonetics and show how is it different from phonology. Question 3 Describe the concept of phone, phoneme and allophone giving appropriate examples. Question 4 What do you mean by organs of speech? Mention all of them and label them in a diagram. Question 5 What are the parameters used to describe English consonant sounds? Discuss them with examples. त्यस्तै क्वेशन 6 मा रहेको छ लिस्ट all the consonant sounds of English and give 3 term description of each. 7 मा क्वेशन रहेको छ define intonation with its significance in the interpretation of meaning with examples. Question 8 मा describe with help of a diagram how the sound P and B are articulated in English. Question 9 Distinguish between Fortis and Lenis. Question 10 What is vowel sequence? Present different vowel sequences in the English language. Question 11 Explain how the English consonants can be classified in terms of their voice equality, place of articulation and the manner of articulation. Unit 3 Morphology and Syntax. Question 1 Distinguish between derivational morphemes and inflectional morphemes with examples. Question 2 Discuss 4 processes of word formation with illustrative examples. Question 3 What are the different functions of phrase? Explain any 2 of them with examples. Question 4 What are the types of sentences on the basis of functional classification? Describe them with examples. Question 5 What is grammatical category? Explain the common grammatical categories with examples. Question 6 What is suffix? Discuss the features of inflectional and directional suffixes. Unit 4 Semantics, Pragmatics and Discourse Analysis. Question 1 Describe with examples the different types of sense relations involving oppositeness of meaning. Question 2 Define antonymy and illustrate different types of antonymy. Question 3 Write short note on homography. Question 4 Point out the differences between homophony and homography. Question 5 Write a short note on metonymy. Question 6 Pragmatics is the study of invisible meaning. Elucidate. Question 7. Write a short note on question. Unit 5. Language, history and change. Question 1. Language is subject to change. Elucidate this statement. Question 2. Describe any two processes of language change. Question 3. Write short note on syntactic change. Question 4. Write a short notes on Pidgin and Creole. Question 5. Write a short note on multilingualism. Question 6. Write a short note on analogy. Unit 6. Pedagogical implication of linguistics. Question 1. What is contrastive analysis? Question 2. Write short note on negative transfer. Question 3. Discuss the role of transfer theory in second language learning in contrastive analysis. Question 4. What is error analysis? Question 5. How do mistakes differ from error? Discuss. Question 6. What stages do you follow to carry out error analysis? Describe all the stages with examples. Question 7. What are the techniques of data collection for error analysis? Explain them with suitable examples. हुन्छ आजलाई यति नै। आज मैले तपाईहरुलाई यो लिंग्विस्टिकको होल क्वेशन 2074, 75 र 76 को चाहिँ मैले तपाईलाई वर्ल्ड क्वेशनहरु मैले तपाईहरुलाई बताए। आज आउने समयमा म तपाईहरुलाई अन्य क्वेशनको यसरी नै वर्ल्ड क्वेशनहरु तथा भिडियोहरु तथा अन्य समरीहरु म नोटहरु म ल्याउने नै छु। तबसम्म मेरो यो भिडियो